Start off by going to 3dhubs.com. Then scroll down, select CNC machining as your manufacturing technology, and click on Get a Quote. We support a number of file formats and are sure to keep your intellectual property safe. Upload your part by simply dragging your design into the page. Then specify all of the manufacturing requirements for your part. Select the material, surface finish, whether there are any threaded holes, and whether you have any tight tolerances. If necessary, you can also upload a technical drawing as a support to your quote. 3D Hubs will instantly price your part as well as give you different pricing for bulk quantities. For this scenario, let's choose 5. So now, let's confirm the geometry of your parts by using the Design for Manufacturing feedback tool. The DFM tool will highlight 3 features for CNC machining which can make your part more expensive or impossible to manufacture. So let's start with the hard to remove volume. This orange part indicates an area which is difficult to reach with a 3-axis machine. Thin walls. This will tell you if the walls of your part are too thin to be properly CNC machined. Let's have a look if there are any sharp internal corners of this part. If there are any, we'll machine them with a 2mm radius, unless you've indicated otherwise. Now when you're ready, continue to fill out the details and the address that you want your part to be shipped to. For the payment of your part, there are 2 options, Instant Pay or Manual Review. By selecting the Instant Pay option, you'll simply enter your card details and send your parts to production. If you go for a manual review, we'll process your quote and send it to you via email. This allows you to share it with the purchasing department of your organization before submitting and paying for your parts. Yes, it's really that easy.